welcome you today to this interview. We just finished whakamoemiti at Kai Hapai te Rama Pariha here in Manurewa. They've moved to another location. You will find out more details about where they are at. In the meantime, one of our Morehu who is at whakamoemiti today, he's an entertainer. He's, well, I'll let him explain the rest. Kei te mi ki a koe e ngā Apotoro Wairua Wiremu Matene.
Kia ora whānau, ngā Morehu, matua tama wairua tapu me ngāna hera pono me te māngai e tautuku mai ai nei ake me ai. Well, as Bro Joe was mentioning, we just arrived to have whakamoemiti. Actually, we've had whakamoemiti in our brand new whare whakamoemiti here, and we've come to enjoy the day with our whānau. My koro was Wiremu Matene, the Apotoro Rehita for Pikohe, quite a while ago, and our whānau have always been hahirata. Besides our church life, I belong to a group called the Brown Brothers, which was organised and set up by our brother Russell Harrison from the Lotto. There are 4 of us in this group. Rico Tully from Arija, Ben Ifremo, Russell and myself. And ngā Morehu, I've enjoyed my travels around the motu, the country, singing and entertaining New Zealand. And I wanted to put a call out there for our Morehu. It is about time, Morehu, we get together and start doing our own concerts as Morehu. And all of you Morehu singers out there, I put the challenge out to you to maybe get in touch with Cousin Joe, and we put on our own concert.
Love me with all your heart, that's all I ask for. Love me with all your heart, or not at all.
I know before you joined up with Brown Brothers, you used to do a lot of backing vocals for the likes of Eric Clapton and all that. How was that mahi for you?
The opportunity that our group have had with singing for different entertainers like the Drifters, you know, a well-known group around the world. Eric Clapton at the wine festivals. We've sung with quite a few different entertainers, but the best part about us is that there are so many of us Morehu singers out there, and I think we should now have the opportunity this year to start joining in together and putting things together.
Before we leave you with the whānau, our brother here has put the challenge out to all our Morehu singers out there. If you need to, get in touch with me and we'll sort something out, and we'll get our Morehu together, even just to start off, just to get talking, as long as we start talking. So thank you very much again, Apotoro Wairua Wiremu Matene. Thank you very much for your time, and it's been an awesome day today.
Sure has.
And we are so happy to be able to share it with you, the Morehu out there. So, kia ora mai koutou katoa. Ka kite.
Ka kite. Ka kite whānau.